Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Naim bin Masdi and I'm from class E29, and today I would like to present about my project for the Vlookup function in Excel. So let's go. First of all, the scenario for the project is Ahmad wants to find a student name, but he just has the student ID, and it is so hard in the bigger scale of data. He has no idea how to accomplish this task by using a spreadsheet. He never got the opportunity to learn any productivity software before this. You need to guide him to complete his task based on the following data. So this is all of the data here, and it is about 250, 270, right? So first of all, we need to copy all of the data, select all of the data, and Control C for copy, and then we're gonna transfer it into the Excel. So we're gonna click Excel and then choose blank workbook, and then click on the cell A1 and then Control V for paste. And then we got here all the data we need for Vlookup function. Then we're gonna press the which column for the student ID and also for the name. Alright, so and then I'm gonna control. Okay, so below here that the name is the column which for the here to here is so different, so we're gonna write text all of this, Control A, and then we're gonna write text so that all of this will have a same piece of column. That's nice. Okay, for the Vlookup function, first of all we need to know about the Vlookup function, so we can type here equal and then caps lock Vlookup here. Alright, Vlookup. So here we have the lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. So the lookup value here is the student ID that we need to insert. So we have the student ID for searching the name of the student. So we can put any value of student ID that we have here, and then we can find the name of the student. So here I would like to choose the okay, I would like to choose this. Okay, right. So we cannot choose the cell, but we can choose the number of the student ID. So here it shows 2022, and then 863, and then 312. Alright, so we're gonna put the comma here and then spacebar, and then the table array. For the table array is the meaning of what is the meaning of the table array is that the how many of the table here, the column and the column, horizontal column and the vertical column. So to do this is we need to select all of this, all of the data, and then yeah, can put the comma. Alright, so the table array and the lookup value is done, and then we will go through to the column index number. For the column index number is the total number, is the number of the column index that we want to find. So the here stated here is that we need to find the name. Ahmad wants to find a student name. So he just has the student ID. So at here, the student ID is the lookup value, and then the column index number is the column for the for the for the student name. Okay. So the column for the student name is column 2, as we choose 1 at here and 2 is here. Alright, so we're gonna put 2. Okay, so for the VLOOKUP function, we have true and false. So for this scenario, we want to find the student ID, we want to find the name. Okay, so the student ID is needs to be accurate to get the name of the student, so that it will not it will function well. So for this, we need to choose false function, a false, so that it will exact the match. For the true, it will choose the approximate match. This is likely used in the market or anything else that you just need approximate that almost exact for the student ID. Okay, so this at here, we will choose false, which is the exact match, so that it will accurately choose the student ID, not the nearest student ID that we put it up here. Okay, so we will choose false. Alright, so we're gonna close the bracket here, and then we're gonna click on the enter button, so that we will get the name of the student ID that we put in the Vlookup function. So the name is Amir Azad Wafi bin Izatul Izam. So that we search here at uh, right there. It's just the same. 2022 8863 312, and then yeah, it is the same as what we want to find. So I think that's all from me, and this is the VLOOKUP function that we can use in our Excel. I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.